What's up guys, in this video I'm going over the top 3 brokers that I have used that don't make you follow the pattern day trading rule. Overall this is all just my opinion, and so you have to make your own assessment of each of these brokers, but if you really want to see what it's like trading with some of these, join us on stream every weekday morning at 8:45 a.m. market time. I go over what's moving in pre-market and then day trade my small accounts live at the open guys, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, and with all that being said, enjoy this video. Okay, so the first one on my list is probably the most popular broker on this list, and that is SURETRADER. I used SURETRADER when I first started trading about 2 years ago, and some things I liked about it were that you can short almost anything that's on the market there. You can also have a decent amount of leverage for your small accounts. I think it's 6-to-1 margin, and so if you deposit $1,000, you get $6,000 in buying power, which is definitely great, but you do need to be careful with that extra buying power, guys. The commission rates can run a little bit high. I think it's $4.95 per trade plus EC and fees, and so with 1,000 shares it costs about $18 if I remember correctly. The platform is very expensive. I think it's anywhere between $100 and $200 per month, and so that can be pretty pricey for the brand new trader. On the positive side though, the platform is a pretty decent platform for traders to learn on. I remember I picked it up pretty quickly using the DOS platform, and overall it's one that I still miss trading on to this day. Overall, I think SureTrader's a decent starting broker. You have to be careful with those high platform fees like I said before, as well as those commission rates, but I love the platform, and so for that reason it's number 3 on my list. Okay, so number 2 on my list goes to USTOCK. I love USTOCK because it has $1 commission rates. I'm a big proponent on the new trader actually taking the time to learn how to trade before using that really big sizing that you see a lot of people on SureTrader and other brokers do. USTOCK makes that possible because it has $1 commission rates, and so you can effectively use 50 or 100 shares and just simply learn how to trade the market consistently. Overall, I love USTOCK, but it does have its problems. One of the biggest problems with them is stocks being labeled limited liquidity. Today we had a huge runner that had tons of volume be labeled limited liquidity, and that's just ridiculous in my opinion, because if the stock has so much volume there should be plenty of liquidity even on USTOCK, but overall it was a problem with that today. Still, it doesn't happen enough to turn me off of USTOCK, just because like I said before, I think it's really important for the new trader to take the time to learn how to trade, and USTOCK makes that possible. Overall, USTOCK is a decent starting broker for the beginner trader, especially the one looking to save money on commission and platform fees. Still, if you're looking to build your account up in any significant way, you may want to find one of these other brokers on this list. Okay, so number 1 on my list so far is TRADENET. I've only been using them for a few weeks, but I've definitely enjoyed my time with them thus far. I paid for the $500 intro package, and with that I got $14,000 in buying power with a $700 max loss. The commissions are also really cheap on TRADENET. They're $3 per round trip if you use 100 shares, and a little bit more expensive if you use more, but overall they're pretty cheap compared to a lot of these other brokers. It also has a great platform. It's only $15 per month, and it definitely has everything the new trader needs. I have a full review of TRADENET, and I'll post that link in the description of this video, so check that out when you have time, guys. But anyways, that's the end of this video. Make sure you join us on stream every weekday morning starting at 8:45 a.m. market time. I go over what's moving in pre-market and then trade my small accounts on TRADENET and USTOCK live at the open on stream, as well as go over the big movers during market hours. And so if you want to see what any of these brokers are like, come check that out, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you show your love by liking these videos. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and good luck in the markets on Monday.